What's up everybody? I'm Martin and welcome to my backyard kitchen. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time and I finally got one. A Pit Boss Austin XL smoker. Let's unbox this bad boy, fire it up and see what it's like. Let's go! And there you have it, Pit Boss Austin XL. This thing is beautiful. The setup's pretty easy, very easy instructions to follow, very straightforward. What I would say is have an extra person close by because you might need help with the far legs. This thing is quite big. I'm 6'2", but I couldn't reach around it and do it all by myself, so I had to get some help. Other than that, very easy. Took me about maybe 35 to 40 minutes to assemble it. I'm not in a rush as well, so I did take my time. Did not want to break anything as well. Anyway, now that's done, what we want to do is we want to do a burn off, which is for the first time you're using the grill, you want to fire it up and heat it up to a certain temperature for about 30-40 minutes, just for it to get rid of anything that might be left behind from the factory. And after that, we'll be ready to go. I got the hickory blend that I bought at the same time as the smoker. This is a 20 pound 9 kilo bag. The tank holds 30 pounds, which is 13.6 kilos, so I might as well go ahead and dump the whole thing in there. Power it up. So you press and hold the prime button until it comes on. The little light down here says, so you've got the fan and the auger is there. I can hear it spinning as well. And the middle light is for the sort of the burner. which is in there. What you want to do is when you start it up, you always want to have the lid open, never have the lid shut. I've seen videos of these things explode or blow the hood open. I don't want to take my chances with that. So you can see already a little bit of smoke coming up. There is a little bit of air, but you're supposed to keep it open until it lights up. The auger is spinning really slowly, so it will take a little while until the pellets start to feed the burner. But I can see the burner is on. It's bright red now. And we in business. It's lit now. So now we can go ahead and adjust our temperature. To adjust the temperature, you just press this big button in, and up here you set your target temperature. I'll set it for at 200 degrees, and we let it burn for about 30 to 40 minutes. We're good to close the lid now. It's been about 40 minutes now, and we have completed a successful burn off. Now we go ahead and shut it down. To do so, just press and hold the on and off button for about 2 seconds, 2-3 seconds. Once the screen goes off, do not unplug it at this point. It will start its own shutting down process. Once that's completed and you can hear the fan and everything's off, then you can go ahead and unplug it if you have to. Other than that, it's ready to go. Guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, please like and leave a comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.